guys, I'm just getting off work and now I'm getting ready to go pick up a Poplin order, and I think it says it's about 32 minutes away, but which means tomorrow when I go to drop it off, it's not going to be as far from leaving my house. Anyway, come along with me as I pick up this order. Okay, delivery picked up. Now, excuse me, I think I'm gonna go pick up my prescription. They had a lot of, they only had one big black bag, which I don't like those, and a suitcase, not a suitcase, a laundry basket. But both was full to the rim. They were heavy. They were very heavy. And then the laundry that I picked up this morning, that wasn't that light either. So I got some laundry to wash this evening. Thank God I don't have to be to work tomorrow until 3:30. It's supposed to have been 2:30, but I don't have to be there at 3:30 now. So I got a lot of laundry to wash. But anyway, I'm about to go pick up my prescription. It's hard getting out of this where they live. I think I could make it. Go pick up my prescription, and then I'm going back to the house, and then I'm going to add the drop off. When I drop it off tomorrow, I'm going to add that to this video, and then I'll go ahead and then I'll close it out. So anyway, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. I'm on my way out to drop off the laundry that we picked up yesterday, and then I think I'm going to stay out and do maybe some Spark or Instacart, because I have a goal that each month I want to do 10 Poplin laundry orders, 10 Spark deliveries, 1 Amazon delivery, and 1 Instacart delivery. But if I don't get the Amazon delivery that I desire, I'll maybe do something else. I don't know why my throat's so dry. Maybe I'll do something in the place. But that's my goal each month. To help me get out of debt, which my debt is my car. So come along with me, guys, while we go drop this laundry off.
left onto Fox Hill Road.
Okay, guys. Delivery is complete. That delivery. Now we on our way to the next drop off, which is 7 minutes away. So let's go drop this delivery off. And then after that, we'll do maybe an Instacart. So I can go ahead and get the Instacart off. Since I only have one Instacart go per month. So let's see if we can do an Instacart. So now we're on our way. I hate their driveway. It's so narrow.
Take the next left onto Fox Hill Road.
All right, so we're going. I forgot to turn the camera on again. Why do I do that all the time? Well, both deliveries have been completed. So now I'm going to get out of these people's driveway and go find somewhere I can park and pick up a Instacart or a Spark order. This is a narrow street and it has ditches, so I'm making sure that I do not go into these ditches. Wouldn't I want to live on this street? Alright, so we're gonna go find somewhere where we can park and find us a Spark or Instacart delivery. I think I'm gonna park right here and see what we can find. Okay, guys, I can't do Instacart. It says your account is under review. We're reviewing your recent identity check. Please allow up to 12 hours before contacting support. And I believe that is because I don't do Instacart that often. And let's see when was the last time. The last time I did an Instacart was in October. So they said they have to do a review and it takes 12 hours. But I'm going to go ahead and get out of that because we need to make our goal. So since I know I can't do Instacart, let's go ahead and pull up Spark. See what's going on with Spark. Because we got to make our goal each month. And I have 5 more deliveries with Spark that has to be done. So let's do it. Alright guys, we're just gonna drive, and when one pop up, I'll catch it. Okay guys, Instacart let me in, but it's very slow. It's saying, and I know you guys can't see it, it's an estimated 15 to 30 minutes before I will even see a batch. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna close out Instacart and maybe try to maybe I'll try one tomorrow. I work 8 to 4 tomorrow. Maybe I'll do one after work tomorrow and then come on home. I just want to keep my apps up to date, because you saw what just happened. They had to do a review of my account, and they said 12 hours, but it was a good 15-20 minutes. And so I think I'm just gonna if a spark order doesn't come in, I'm just gonna go home, make me some breakfast, and go ahead and study a little bit, because I think I told you guys in another video that I'm studying to get my life and health insurance license. So I'm gonna go home and study a little bit. That's a lot to study. I'm like, and like I was telling my daughter, I'm sorry you guys, I'm trying to drive, that if I knew this stuff when I was much younger, it would come so quickly to me. And but now it's like foreign, so I'm gonna go home and study a little bit. If a sparkle order doesn't come through, I know I can't do Instacart, but if a spark order come in, I will come back. Excuse me. I'll come back and I will show you guys. But if not, I'm gonna go ahead and close the video out. So you guys be blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video.